Today I'd like to demonstrate the use of the Pro-Lordotic Neck Exercise Band. The bands come in 3 different types of resistance. We have light red, medium blue, and heavy for green. You want to start off with 10 repetitions at 10 seconds each, and then each day thereafter increase by 5 repetitions per day, up to a maximum of 30 repetitions at 10 seconds. The first thing to do is to bring the band up and let it lightly rest on the shoulders. You're going to then extend the arms out to the sides with the palms down. The band should meet the middle of the neck, and you're going to bring the arms out in front of you. Then you are going to translate the head back and tip the neck back even further, holding this position for 10 seconds. So it's important to remember to isolate the movements to the neck. You're going to, again, retract the neck and then tip the chin upward. Do not move your upper back backward. The most common position will be with the band in the middle of the neck with the arms straight out in front of you in the horizontal position. There is the option for bringing the band down slightly below horizontal, and there's also the option of bringing the band slightly above horizontal. If you feel lightheaded or dizzy during any of these exercises, please stop and just let me know when you come into the office on your next visit. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know.